Hello, everybody. Quick little intraday update within the silver market. We have seen silver reach 22 and 3/4 per ounce in intraday trading. But what I was mentioning over the weekend and over the last few weeks is this trend line. This trend line has been violated, taken out today, and in technical analysis, when a uptrend resistance line, which is what this is taken out to the upside, that can often mean yet another push higher. It's not often that the trend line resolves itself to the upside. It usually is taken down to the upside. After all, had this trend line been taken out, that would still be bullish because you take that trend line out, you go down to 21, and then you continue going higher. But all the retracements we've had have been 1% here, 2% there, a day or two correcting through time. Maybe now we can develop a trend line where maybe we trade in a range, something in this area here. It's another possibility of what happens when an uptrend line gets taken out is that it makes a new uptrend line, and the resistance line thus becomes support. But what are we kidding? We know these levels are coming, especially if you are familiar with the fundamental analysis, not only within what has been going on over the last 3 decades within the silver market, aka the manipulation, but also the fiat currencies, and how the fiat currencies are continuously losing money. And it's got a long ways to go towards the upside. Yes, there'll be some corrections through price and time that will occur later on. May not happen this week or next week, but nothing can go up forever. However, there's no such thing as up too much or up too long. It's just when you are up too much, or when it's perceived to be up too much or for too long, at some point it will have to correct. But it doesn't want to correct right now. The bears are giving up. The bulls are in full swing, and can you blame them? Now, on the monthly or the weekly chart, as far as that trend line we're looking at, you can see here that it seems as if the uptrend line is well intact, but a breakout to 23.10 would be a breakout of this particular line. And quite frankly, if the weekly chart has another huge surge, the next key Fibonacci technical upside level is that of 24. And with the resiliency of silver, I don't see any reason why the 24 level should not be tested relatively soon. Relatively soon being later today. It's 1 o'clock when I say this in a bullish scenario, but that's doubtful. Later on this week, maybe next week. But the path of least resistance for silver is and is remaining for that of higher. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.